What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and I have a solution for you just in case you don't want to put screws in your vinyl fence. Right here we have a vinyl fence hook. This one is for like water hose or electric line, something like that, extension cords and stuff. So as you can see, no screws needed. Let's go ahead and get into it. Finally got it out, so here you go. That's how it fits on. Place it around, slide it down, and I'm gonna let y'all know that this is pretty tough. All right, it's not like it's sitting on easy. It's pretty tight. All right, and that's it. If I want to move it further in the back, or if I want to move it further in the front, you can do that. Hit it up. No scratches, no nothing. I could put it back here so that way it's not an eyesore. And then I have my hose right here. I'll leave the green part down because this is my off and on switch right here. So my water always stay on, but I have a on and off switch right here. Just make sure you don't have no leaks, or else that's your water bill. Nobody else is paying your water bill. All right, I'll leave that like that for now. And again, I think this is 100 foot, you guys, but it's collapsible, so it's not like it's bulky. And I can make the loops as long as I want to make them. All right, if I wanted to go further down with the loops, I can, but I think this is pretty good. Give me a second, because I got a whole mess over here. Big mess. I'm doing some cleaning. A lot of cleaning I have to do so we can get ready for the summertime. I should have did this in early spring, but that's what happens when you have to work. All right, amazing, you guys. Now, watering the garden, as y'all saw, I had the garden over there, and my strawberry plants is up here. I have mint plants here. My wife loved these mint things. They smell, one of them smell like chocolate, like straight chocolate. I don't know why I'm talking to y'all about that. I know y'all want to see this, but this is why my reviews take long, because I talk. So one of my son's chores is to water the backyard. Well, water the garden. I stay focused on the lawns. My wife have them do the garden. That's one of their chores. And then another one does the front yard, and so on and so forth. And that's it. I will be taking this water meter down though, because I'm going to hook it up to my rain barrels. And that's all, you guys. That is it. I think you could fit a good amount of hose on here. I still got space. Let me show y'all. All right, you guys. So as you can see, I still have a good amount of space. It is secure. It is not moving. Very tough. I don't have to worry about rust because it is coated with white. All right, and I'll get the material for y'all once I find it. But yeah. Now, if it rusts, I'm going to be upset because I don't want rust on my fence. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. So again, if you want to put a hose on here, extension cord, you don't have to drill nothing on your vinyl. Everything is set. So that will be all. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.